Hello and welcome to Music Academy South, a place that serves our community through musical training by offering lessons, classes, and performance opportunities. Music has a universal quality that permeates and communicates no matter where you may travel or live. So come join us as we offer insights into the world of musical study. At Music Academy South, we hold the philosophy that music is an essential part of our well-being. Through music study, you will discover a very personal relationship with your instrument and your outward ability to be expressive. The more study and diligent practice that you incorporate into your daily lives, the more precious and personal that relationship becomes between you and your chosen instrument. At Music Academy South, we offer lessons in all traditional instruments. You can find training in piano, guitar, voice, any string instrument, brass instrument, and woodwind instrument, as well as percussion, specifically drumming. All of our instructors have earned music degrees, have been highly recommended, and have passed background checks. They are awesome mentors. They are dedicated to their students' training, and they offer quality insights into how to learn. The customized one-on-one training that we provide allows each student to learn at their own pace and achieve both short-term and long-term goals. Come with me now to see our facilities. We are conveniently located in the heart of Wake Forest at 1241 South Main Street in the Friendship Professional Center. This is a family-friendly location where families can enjoy a variety of offerings within the complex and feel confident that they are in a child-safe location. When entering the studio, you will find the kindest smile waiting for you as Deborah Harrison, our fabulous administrative assistant, greets you and has the answers to most every question you may want to ask. Here, you will find a comfortable waiting area equipped with free Wi-Fi, opportunities to relax, chat, read, answer email, and complete laptop projects. You can find students working on homework and the like as well. As you pass through the hallway, you will discover there are a number of individual studios that offer ample space for the teacher and student. Parents are welcomed at any time. However, they are encouraged to allow the one-on-one relationship to flourish naturally with their instructor. Music Academy South is proud to have a multi-purpose room where we can have seasonal recitals, enrichment classes, and ensemble rehearsals. This space lends itself to many options. Our teachers often bring their students in to rehearse an upcoming performance or just to build some confidence. Among the performance opportunities within the studio, we offer a fall coffee house, a winter recital, a spring recital, a spring ensemble festival, and a summer fun recital.
And you may be sure we don't deep and leave you.
One of the most important philosophies that MAS holds dear is the importance of sharing our music with others. Within the Academy, we are able to groom our students through a series of performances. As students are prepared, they are encouraged to share their music with others, but be assured that you will not be forced to play in front of others until you are ready to do so. If you are interested in lessons, please contact us through the website at www.musicacademysouth.com or by calling 919-556-6151.